Hello everyone, my name's Miss Nicolay and I'm going to be showing you 3 different features you can use on Read, Write, Google. So once you have it downloaded, if you just hit it right up here, the first feature I'm going to show you really is just going to have whatever you're reading, today I'm going to be actually just modeling with a nonfiction article, but whatever you're reading, you can have that read out loud to you. So it's one feature, and it's this little play button, but I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can use it. So one way you could use it is you start by just highlighting the beginning, and if you wanted the entire reading read to you, you just start by highlighting where you want it to start, and you hit play.
In dreaming of the hallowed halls of Hogwarts, Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling almost certainly drew inspiration from snakes to name the character of Salazar Slytherin.
And then you can pause it if you want to stop at any time. I'm just going to hit stop because I'm going to show you one more way you can use this. Say you didn't know how to pronounce this word, which I actually don't. Something you can do is just quickly go up there like, hey, I want to know how to pronounce this word. Hit play.
Trimeresaurus Salazar, or Salazar's pit viper.
And now you know how to correctly pronounce a word. Right. The second feature I'm going to show you is and it's right here, it looks like a little picture, the picture dictionary. So what you're going to do is, say you came across, you're reading, and there was a word you didn't know. So I'm going to just show you with inspiration. Highlight inspiration, hit the picture dictionary, and now you have a little image there for you that shows you, oh, inspiration, it's like an idea. Another one I'm going to show you is lending. So say you hit the picture dictionary and the photo that comes up doesn't make sense to you, or let's see if I can, you highlight a word, and I'm just going to see if it works with this word. There isn't a picture for it. So maybe one of 2 things happen. The picture doesn't make sense to you. You still need kind of a better description of what that word means, or there isn't an actual definition. The third feature I'm going to show you today that you can use is this feature right here. I'm just going to hover over it. It's the actual dictionary. Just exit out. Okay, well, it doesn't look like it comes up for that word, but maybe you didn't know what species meant. Highlight it. Dictionary, and it not only tells you what the definition is, but says it's a noun. So pretty cool. So there's 3 different features today. Again, you can hit this play button, have it read to you, or you can just have a word you don't know read to you so you know how to correctly pronounce it. The picture dictionary and the actual dictionary. All right, thanks.